So how do you add a multiple photos widget on the iPhone? And let's get started. So as you can see, we probably know that you can add the regular photos widget to the home screen where you pick some photos from your gallery or choose the featured photos, but it only shows one picture being part of the widget, right? So what you can do is download some other apps, for example, like the collage photo widget, right? And you can open it up like that and essentially just pick multiple different like photos for that widget. So there are more options like that. You can play around with the options, but you can just pick a couple of different photos from your gallery, add it right there, and you will have a nice widget with multiple pictures on it, right? So it just works well, generally speaking. But this is obviously not the only app you have available in the App Store. Like, there are plenty of other ones which work on a pretty much the same basis, where you can just add the widget to your home screen and just create a collage so more photos are actually shown right there. So just choose one of those apps and essentially just pick the photos and then add the actual widget to the home screen. So it's, generally speaking, really simple. These are the apps which I would recommend you to get. But also, if you know how you can operate it, you can also just create the image in some app, right? And then just use the built-in Photos app to add that to your home screen if you already have the collage made. But yeah, that's how it generally works. Most definitely let me know below in the comments if you manage to get it to work. Subscribe, and I'll catch you later in the future uploads.